What is going, guys? Before we get to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. And click the notification button to keep you up to date on my upcoming videos. Alrighty, so we do have another rumor video for you guys, and this time it's for Cedar Point, and this is an coaster rumor that people were talking about. So talking about the removal of Wicked Twister, and it will replace it with a SNS 40 free fly coaster. So if they were to remove Wicked Twister, then this coaster would take its spot. So pretty sure we can talk about this coaster. So we do know that it is a clone coaster, but it would be better if it's a custom layout of an SNS 40 free flight coaster. Now, this wouldn't really be the best coaster unless, it'd be better actually a little bit if they did a custom layout, but I wouldn't be too crazy if Cedar Point were to get this coaster for a replacement of Wicked Twister. However, removing a coaster though will break their coaster count and bring it down. So they will lose a coaster. However, this would be a good replacement for Wicked Twister, their inverted impulse coaster. So this is a unique coaster, and there's nothing like it in Ohio. So this would definitely be a good fit for Cedar Point, and this will be its first kind in Ohio. So, and to be honest, the closest you'll get is the Joker at Six Flags this Great Adventure, but that's still a, a few hour drive. But it's still gonna be a good coaster, but not really the best. This is really unique for having a lot of flips and spins, so this will be its first kind in that state. So, of course, you know, people are gonna really know about this coaster anyways, and they're really not a huge fan, but since it's clone coaster, that's why it's really not surprising that much. But this might come in 2020, their anniversary, so chances are it might be 2020. But since they got a coaster, Still Vengeance, in 2018, it might probably be sooner enough for them to get their next coaster. And I'm not even sure that Wicked Twister will be demolished. Well, that's just a speculation as of right now. We really haven't heard anything about the closure of Wicked Twisters. These are Remember, these are just speculations, and nothing has not been officially announced yet. So we'll keep you posted on that. But as of right now, we haven't heard anything. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to share your thoughts about this coaster. If What do you guys think if Cedar Point were to get an SNS 40 free fly coaster? And also, stay tuned for more. Uh, yeah, and be sure to subscribe always. And I'll catch you guys next time. Oh, and be sure to follow me on Instagram, coaster_planet, to keep you up to date on what's going on my channel. Um, Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you guys later. I mean, yeah.